Hi viewers, hope you are doing well. Today our video agenda is top 10 Power BI interview questions and answers for year 2023. I hope you will like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start to the video. Some of the most frequently asked Power BI interview questions are: what is Power BI? One of the most important question and basic question in Power BI is what is Power BI? First of all, if any of you don't know about BI, BI stand for Business Intelligence. So, what is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics tool that is developed by Microsoft that helps you turn multiple unrelated data sources into valuable and interactive insights. These data may be in the form of an Excel spreadsheet or cloud-based on-premises hybrid data warehouses. You can easily connect to all your data sources and share the insights with anyone. As most of you know that there are different kind of data sources such as Excel, flat files, SQL, Azure, and many others. So hopefully in the upcoming videos, in the upcoming slides, we will discuss about data sources, what kind of data sources in Power BI. So it's very important to know about each and everything in a detail. Second question is, why should we use Power BI? This is one of the most important question because currently we are having different kind of tools, BI tools for visualization like Power BI, Tableau, MicroStrategy, and many others. So we can also use MSBI, SSRS. So hopefully this will be very helpful for you because Power BI provides an easy way for anyone. The good thing in Power BI is that it's very easy, including non-technical people, to connect, change, and visualize their raw business data from many different sources. As I mentioned in my last slide, that there are different kind of sources, we will discuss this and turn it into valuable data that makes it easy to make smart business decisions. Like in the left side you can see that there is a visualization chart which is showing that sales for top 5 categories. So we can make interactive dashboards in Power BI with the help of different sources. In the next video, as I mentioned in my last slide, there are difference between Tableau and Power BI. Both Tableau and Power BI are the current IT industry's data analytics and visualization giants. Some people they are using Power BI, some of them are using Tableau, and some of them are using other BI tools. All are very good, very interesting. Some of them are free, some of them are you can take the subscription, monthly subscription, yearly subscription. So yet there are a few significant differences between them. You will now explore the important differences between Tableau and Power BI. So there will be most important difference between Tableau and Power BI. We can see in the next slides Tableau and Power BI. Tableau uses MDX for measures and dimension. One of the major main differences, Tableau and Power BI both are using MDX. MDX is multi-dimensional expressions. Tableau uses MDX for measures and dimension, whereas Power BI uses DAX, data analytic expression, for calculating measures. This is one of. Tableau is using MDX, Power BI using DAX. Tableau is capable of handling large volumes of data. Very good. This is one of the main difference between Power BI. Whereas Power BI is qualified only to handle a limited amount of data. Let's suppose you can handle large volume of data. You can handle big data in Tableau, whereas in Power BI you can handle limited amount of data like millions, trillions of millions of records or any other data, and you can easily. But the thing is that Power BI is easier than Tableau. Tableau is best suitable for experts, whereas Power BI is suitable for both experts and beginner. As I mentioned in my last slide, that Power BI is very simple, very easy, and anyone can learn and do whatever he want in Power BI. Tableau user interface is complicated, whereas Power BI user interface is comparatively simpler, very simpler. Inshallah, in coming videos, I will show you some interface with a Tableau interface and Power BI interface. Tableau is capable of supporting the cloud with ease, whereas Power BI finds it difficult as its capacity to handle large volume of data is limited. Tableau can easily handle cloud with ease, whereas Power BI finds it difficult as its capacity to handle large volume of data is. So in the next four question is difference between Power Query and Power Pivot. The main differences between Power Query and Pivot are explained as follows. Power Query versus Power Pivot. Power Query is all about analyzing data, whereas Power Pivot is all about getting and transforming data. Query is an ETL service tool. ETL stands for extraction, transformation, and loading. Power Pivot is an in-memory data modeling component. Number fifth question: what is Power BI Desktop? There are two kind of things. One is Power BI Desktop, one is Power BI Service, web service. You can connect with different sources, you can transform and create models, you can create visuals, create and share reports in mobile, in the form of desktop, in the form of web services. So Power BI Desktop is an open source application designed and developed by Microsoft. Power BI Desktop will allow users to connect to, transform, and visualize your data with ease. Power BI Desktop lets users build visuals and collections of visuals that can be shared as reports with your colleagues or your clients in your organization. Number six question is what is Pivot? You heard about Power Pivot in Excel as well, because we also use Power Pivot in Excel as well. Power Pivot is an add-on provided by Microsoft for Excel since 2010. Power Pivot was designed to extend the analytical capabilities and service of Microsoft Excel. So this is all about Power Pivot. What is Power Query? In the last video, we mentioned that there is Power Query and Power Pivot. Then we change the we make the difference between Power Query and Power Pivot. Then in the last slide, we discuss about Power Pivot. So in this slide, we will discuss about Power Query. As you can see in the image that we are having raw data. So in the Power Query, what we can do, data grabber, shaper, we can make data grinding, and then we will transfer this data into the Power Pivot, and then Power Pivot to the PI dashboards. So Power Query is a business intelligence tool designed by Microsoft for Excel. Power Query allows you to import data from various data sources and will enable you to clean, transform, and reshape your data as per the requirements. You can clean your data, transform, and reshape your data. Let's suppose we are having 10 columns and you don't want to need any of the columns, so you can remove from your uh, tables, your data set, and you can make 5 column, and it will be easy for you. Power Query allows you to write your query once and then run it with a simple refresh. It's very easy. Power Query, Once you write down to you then run it with a simple refresh. Describe the components of Microsoft self-service BI solutions. Question number 8. Re- this is business intelligence solutions. Inside the business we are having self-service BI. This portion is for self-service BI. Self-service business intelligence is divided into the Excel BI toolkit and Power BI. What is self-service BI anyway? SSBI, which is called self-service business intelligence, is an abbreviation is self-service and is breakthrough in business intelligence. SSBI has enabled many business professionals with no technical or coding background to use Power BI and generate reports and draw predictions successfully. So this is very good that enable many business professionals with no technical or coding background to use Power BI, because Power BI is easy as compared to the other visualization tool. W. Even non-technical users can create these dashboards to help their business make more informed decisions. Yes, it's very good. Non-technical users can also use Power BI self-service BI. What is DEX? The last question is what is DEX? DEX is data analysis expression. Dex function, using Dex function what we can do, we can use all calendar, text, aggregate, mean, date, filter, related, max. If you are very good in Excel formulas and you can easily calculate, so Dex is very easy for all of you in Power BI, and with the help of Dex you can make many things very easy. You can calculate your data in like seconds, and if you remember all the functions of Dex, so it will be easy to calculate, manipulate, and aggregate your data. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expression. It's a collection of functions, operators, and constants used in formulas to calculate and return values. In other words, it helps you to create info from data you already have. So, it's a collection of functions, operators, greater than, less than, and constants used in formulas to calculate and return value. So this is all about DEX. If you are very good in formulas, Excel formulas, so you can, there will be no issue to use DEX in Power BI. DEX is very important in Power BI. Thank you for watching my video. uh, Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my video. If you like, please share with your friends and colleagues, and please don't forget to share your feedback. Inshallah, next video I will make 20 interview questions or more than that. I am collecting some data. I am making presentation for all of you. So hopefully this will be very good videos for you. Thank you so much for your time, for supporting. Bundle of thanks.